Attention everyone, attention! Winston and I have just returned from Target, and they have new minis! I can't wait for you to meet them all!
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ends End 2017 Wave 3 Minis!
It's time to open up some new minis! So each time a mini gets knocked off the end of the track, that's just what we're going to do. And the Winning Engines mini will also get to open up a brand new pack.
Let's get started with Glenn versus Steven.
Oh boy, who could it be in here? I can't wait to see! Hey, you look very familiar! Have we met before? Oh yeah, it's you, Amy! Hey, I'm sorry I didn't recognize ya!
Next up, Henry versus Flynn.
Alright, let's see who's in here. It's an animal. It's Animal Ben. He's a giraffe. I like giraffes. We're gonna have fun together. Oh boy.
And now, Diesel 10 versus Luke. Whoa, look at Luke go!
Alright, let's set one thing straight. Whoever's in here is not gonna be cooler than Batman, right? Can we all agree on that? Check it out. Underwater Percy. We're practically twins. We both wear masks. I've got a bat on me, and he's got an octopus.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Hank versus Spencer.
Number 65! It's time to see who's in here. Well, if it ain't Space Hero, and he's out of this world!
It's time for the semi-finals with Steven versus Flynn.
It's me again, Bert! Since there's still no Airy Mini, I get to go twice. Speaking of minis they haven't made yet, let us know which ones you'd like to see. It's time to see who's in here. Ah! It's Construction Victor! Look at him! He's got all the right tools for the job. He's gonna be perfect out in the steamworks.
Steven's going to the finals. Who will join him, Luke or Spencer?
I got number 169! I wonder who's in here! Oh, it's Steelworks Diesel 10! How come you don't have Pinchy? Maybe you'll be nicer without him! I'll tell you some funny jokes, and I think we'll get along great!
Final round, Luke versus Steven.
What cool mini would be in here for me? Ha! It's Percy, but not just any Percy. Steelworks Percy! Ha!
Luke is the winner!
If there is a duplicate in this bag, I just hope it's Construction Victor. No duplicate in here. I like this mini. It's Steelworks Samson. We have all three of them. Fantastic. I beg you, tell me everything about Journey Beyond Sodor. I won't tell anyone, I swear.
Thanks for watching. What new mini do you like best?